Sir Michael raised bizonality. He attempted to obscure the issue by referring to the fact that, of course, bizonality is a principle mentioned in various United Nations documents as well. The great advantage of that word, bizonality, to diplomats is that it is ambiguous. It means different things to different people. Turkey, as is very clear from the statements that they have made and that the authorities of the TRNC have made, see it as an instrument for the ethnic division of the island, and the Republic of Cyprus does not see it in that way. Finally, reference, and I will be...
Mr. Anderson, could you come to your final words?
Yes, I'll be 30 seconds, Mr. President, if I may. Reference was made to negotiations that are going on in relation to the future of the island. And Sir Michael said, well, only a comprehensive settlement can bring closure. His subtext, I think, was to the judges, keep out of it, let the politicians do their job. And in our submission, that is not a tenable approach. You rejected submissions of that kind in Loizidou and in Cyprus against Turkey, and notably the European Court of Justice rejected exactly those submissions last year in the very important decision of Apostolidis and Orams, when such political arguments were made in the support of the suggestion that the court should not order the enforcement of a Cyprus judgment against the occupiers of land in the north of Cyprus that was owned by a displaced Greek Cypriot. The Court of Justice rejected those arguments, gave effect to the principles established in Loizidou. We ask you to do the same thing. Where negotiations are concerned, no one can predict what, if any, effect the judgment of a court will have on those negotiations. But surely it's better that negotiations should proceed on a correct legal basis than on a wrong legal basis. The basis that the property belongs to the persons whom this court has always said are entitled to be recognised as the owners, that they should be allowed, where possible, to return to those properties, and that they should be compensated for their inability to use it in the interim. Mr. President, I'm very grateful.
Thank you. We have now come to the end of the hearing. I thank the parties for their interventions. The court will now deliberate on the admissibility and merits of those cases. A decision will be adopted later. The parties will be informed about the date of delivery. I declare the public hearing closed. Thank you.